Wow. So spectacular. Hi guys, chào các bạn, mình là Hoàng và chào mừng các bạn quay trở lại với series IELTS Speaking Sample đến từ The IELTS Workshop. Và chủ đề ngày hôm nay của chúng ta sẽ xoay quanh một chủ đề rất quen thuộc, đó là Old Buildings, nằm trong phần Part 1 IELTS Speaking. Các bạn hãy cùng nhìn lên câu hỏi trên màn hình nhé. Have you ever seen some old buildings in the city? Do you think we should preserve old buildings in cities? Do you prefer living in an old building or a modern house? Are there any old buildings you want to see in the future and why? Yes, without a doubt, Hanoi, where I'm living now, is a city with a long-standing history. So despite the fact that it is developing at an incredibly fast pace, historical monuments and relics are still retained. So people here, including myself, have been so used to this sense of contrast, which is also a factor that makes the city outstanding in the eyes of tourists. The answer is, it actually depends. If the old buildings we're talking about are shabby infrastructure, far beyond being recoverable, then they would have to be demolished by all means for safety reasons. With that being said, it is imperative that structures which are of historical and cultural values be conserved as they are part of our identity. Definitely a modern house. You know, I just love the modernity of new buildings so much that I would not trade them off for some old ones, despite how historically significant they are or how many meaningful stories and events that have been attached to them. I really can't imagine myself living in an old building without all mod cons. It's funny you should ask, because I have thought about this. I'm thinking of going to Cambodia, which may sound surprising to many Vietnamese people, as usually Vietnamese people would prefer Thailand over Cambodia. But I'm so curious to see Angkor Thom, which is the last and most enduring city left of the Khmer Empire. I got to study about it back then in school, and I found its architecture rather marvelous. Và đó là phần trả lời của mình cho Topic Speaking Part 1 chủ đề Old Buildings. Mình hy vọng là các bạn đã học được rất nhiều các từ vựng hữu ích ở trong những câu trả lời của mình. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel of The IELTS Workshop. See ya!